GS score.
GS score. GS score.
GS score.
GS score. GS score.
GS score.
GS score.
GS score.
GS score है GS score.
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 Hello everyone, I am Prince Misra and in this session I will brief you about my upcoming Geography Mains Assistance program, which I also refer as a Geography Q&A program. This program is basically for those students who has already done their preparation, their basic preparation, and they are looking for some sort of assistance mainly related to the completion of the syllabus. If some of the topics of the syllabus left needs to be covered, also needs to be guidance in the answer writing, and there should be a continuous schedule so that in the upcoming one and a half year they should not be drifted and they should continue their preparation of the geography optional. This program mainly offers, this is not only the answer writing program, it is one step ahead of the answer writing program. So how this program is different from the conventional test series, let me tell you. The idea behind this program is that sometimes the student think that they have completed the syllabus, but still some topics left, or might be they are not having the clear understanding of all the topic of the syllabus. So when they do the answer writing, every time they feel like whenever they will get the feedback, so giving the feedback for the teacher, for anyone is very easy, that you have not included this, you have not incorporated this and that. But what exactly needs to be incorporated, what exactly needs to be included in a good answer, that they are not having the good source to look out. So this program is basically to provide that kind of assistance in answer writing. So along with the answer writing, the focus will be to provide some sort of through the classes, through the concept classes, some content that how you need to present your answer, what needs to be included in your answer, how you need to include the case study, how you need to include the examples, how you need to include the diagrams in your answer, so that your answer looks like a good answer. Because in geography optional, the student score well only when they have the conceptual clarity, they have completed the syllabus, but other than this they are also writing a good answer. And for the good answer, the completion of the syllabus is not the sufficient thing, they also need to have all these techniques. So I am coming with this program of Geography Mains Assistant program. Some of the important feature of this program will be, in this program you will get almost roughly 100 hours concept classes. So there will be roughly 100 hours concept classes. In these concept classes, we are not going to teach only the topics. Teaching of the topics will be there, and specifically those topics where students face lot of problems. Specifically the topics like landform development concept, like different theories that are present in the physical geography, in the human geography, models, the different aspects of application part of those theories, of settlement, of population, of the regional planning, economic development models. Also, we will try to cover through the concept classes, through the some of the classes, one of the important area where lots of students lacks, that is the map. As far as mapping is concerned, mapping as a question, UPSC asked only in paper 2. So UPSC asks dedicated questions of map in paper 2, but map is having a very much relevance even in paper 1 also. In spite of having the relevance, still some of the students lack the what locations needs to be referred, how the locations needs to be incorporated in the answer booklet, how the maps needs to be drawn. So these are the some of the basic things that the student lacks. So through the concept classes we will also discuss that, and it will be discussed and it will be presented in the form of answer, that how you need to incorporate and where you need to incorporate. Then other than this, one very important almost aspect of your answer writing is along with the syllabus, but also look out the PYQs. So in this program, we also have included the PYQs and the discussion of the PYQs, and PYQ there will be dedicated test, because when you solve one question at a time, it will not be a much problem. But the same PYQ, when you will sit for 2 hours, when you will sit for 1 hour and you will solve 5 questions, 7 questions, only PYQ that you already know, which you already have seen. So then it actually comes out that how you are writing the answer. So there will be dedicated PYQ test, जिसका discussion भी होगा. Also, before starting of this program, we will also discuss that what are the trend in the geography optional, which areas are more in focus, which areas needs to be given more emphasis. Also, how to tackle some of the areas. Also, there will be 2 approach classes specifically for the geography in general, but especially related to the physical geography and human geography. So that will be done. Along with this concept classes, there will be 11 topical tests and there will be 2 sectional tests, and in the end there will be 4 mock tests. So total 17 tests you will get in this program. In fact, one very important feature of this program is that geography syllabus is divided in 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2, and there are 20 chapters in geography optional. But to make the geography optional preparation better, smooth, and also to streamline your answer writing, I have divided the geography optional papers or geography optional chapters not in 20 chapters, rather to make it more smooth and convenient, I have divided those 20 chapters of the geography optional in around 12 to 13 chapters. The reason behind it, that there are few chapters that are overlapping both in paper 1 and paper 2. Like you will have a population in paper 1 and population in paper 2, settlement in paper 1, settlement in paper 2. Similarly, you will have the agriculture, industry, transport, trade in paper 2 and economic geography in paper 1. You will have a regional planning in paper 1 and regional development planning in paper 2. So you cannot study agriculture separately of paper 2 and the agriculture of part of economic geography of paper 1. So the idea behind this clubbing the chapters is it will give you the overall holistic idea about that topic. And in fact, in last few years, UPSC is asking the questions related to the topic, not related to the paper. So they are picking up a theme, and on that theme they are asking the question. So your preparation should also be according to that. Your preparation should not be only based on the paper 1 and paper 2. So it will definitely going to highly helpful when you will prepare your preparation according to the different chapters. So we have divided the different chapters. There will be continuous mentorship 1-to-1 session where you can connect, you can discuss the copies. So different sessions like geomorphology you will find, and in fact those 12-13 chapters I have divided broadly in 2 sections. One section is a physical geography, another section is the human geography. So the entire syllabus has been divided in 12 to 13 chapters, and those 13 chapters has been divided in 2 sections, physical geography and human geography. So there will be a continuous unit wise test like geomorphology ki classes hongi. After that you will have the geomorphology test. Climatology, after that there will be climatology test, and in the end there will be a complete test of the physical geography. Similarly, when we will go with the human geography, so population will be covered. First concept classes will be given, then the test will be taken. Then after that you will have a economic geography, settlement geography, and in the end there will be holistic test of the human and economic geography. So there will be 2 sectional tests, and at the end there will be a 4 mock tests that will be more or less like on the same pattern of UPSC. So this is not only answer writing a test series program. This is a more than a test series program, and in a way you can say it is a bridge course between a foundation and one shot of answer writing a test series. This program will be highly helpful, especially those students who are looking to improve their marks, that has already appeared in the mains examination, but still they are not able to qualify the mains, they are not able to get the good marks in the mains, specifically in the geography optional. So to join this program, you can connect with the team GS Score. So you can contact the GS Score office and they will help you and they will guide you in joining this program. So I would look forward to connect with you to give you the guidance related to geography optional through this program. Thank you.